Next in Java, we are going to do constructors. So constructors are the functions which have the name same as class name and they don't have any return type, not even void. And it is used to assign value to variables and to allocate memory to object on heap. For example, here this is our class. Name of this class is A, and inside this class I'm creating two instance variable I and J. And here I'm creating object of this class. So name of class is A. I'm naming this object as O equals to new A. Now this new keyword is used to create this object, and this A constructor defines how much memory this object, that is this O, is going to occupy on heap memory. So here now we have seen that constructor is a function which has name same as class name. So here I'm doing A and this. So this is a constructor. It is a default constructor which we don't need to write. Save it and run the program. It is not going to give any output, but it will run. So default constructor is something which we don't need to write in our program. Here also if we put message system.out.println, and here we can say no argument constructor. Save, and if we run it, it will give us output, that is no argument constructor. Now the way we have no argument constructor, we can have parameterized constructor. Like here I'm creating A, and here I'm passing single argument in it, that is I. And here we can print any message. Here I'm assigning value to I, like this dot I equals to I, and now I'm printing this I. Equals to, and here we have to put plus sign, and this dot I. So it is going to print the value of I. And to call this constructor, here we have to create A. Now we have to create second object. Name of object should be different from previous one. Equals to new A. And here to call that single argument constructor, we have to pass one integer value because we have taken one integer argument inside it. So here I'm passing 9. Save it and run it. So first it has called no argument constructor, second it has called single argument constructor. The way we have created a single argument constructor, we can create multiple argument constructor. So again I'm putting A, and here I'm saying integer A and integer B. So here I'm passing two arguments, and here I can say I equals to A and J equals to B, and system.out.println, and here I can say value of I equals to plus, and here we can print I, and after that we can print the value of J. Now to call this constructor, we have to create one more object. Name of that object is O2, and equals to new A, and here I'm passing 7 and 9. Save it and run it. So first it is calling no argument constructor, that is our default constructor. Now after that it is calling a single argument constructor. So this is our single argument constructor, and after that it is calling a two argument constructor in which we have printed the value of I and j. So constructors are the function which is used to assign value to a variable and to allocate memory to an object. And in any program, if we don't write, there is one constructor, that is default constructor.